Nobody told me about the secret. Can you keep a secret? How would turn my life this way? I am you, you are me. In this double life, I have the power to be. I need a place for me. We are more than we are. We are everything we want to be today. So grab the key, unlock the door. Have the power. I need a place for me.
Kuru, I'm going to break through the barrier.
Impossible. No one can break through the barrier between our two worlds. In 600 years, no one has ever done it.
Just because it hasn't been done before doesn't mean it can't be done.
Excuse me for stating the obvious, but I think it's a pretty good indicator.
Kuru, we have to try this. How else are we going to save Omar and Anala? Not to mention the rest of Manipur from Diva.
I appreciate your desire, Princess, but only Anala has the magic to travel between this world and Manipur. It cannot be done without it.
Says who?
Says the Book of Enoch.
The Book of Enoch. Well, why bother arguing with that then?
There is a whole chapter devoted to the mishaps that have befallen those who have tried. With some rather graphic and disturbing illustrations, by the way.
Okay, fine. You've convinced me. I give up. I'll let Diva take the throne, destroy the place, and I'll just get on with my life. You know, I really feel like a hot chocolate.
What?
And there's this movie I want to see too. There's this vampire in
You were
it.
just going to give up?
I already have.
But the fate of Manipur is at stake, Princess.
Exactly. And right now, Kuru, we are the last chance that Manipur has. I have to try this. Are you with me?
Of course. But you cannot break through the barrier. No one has ever done it.
You can spare yourselves a lot of anguish if you just let the people know you support my coronation.
You do not have the crown. Omar will never tell you where it is. You will never rule Manipur.
Omar will tell me where the crown is, or he will rot in the dungeons. Your choice is simple. Support me or join him. Think about it. Why do old people get to be elders?
How can we let her trample us underfoot?
Easily. Her magic is too powerful.
Why did the princess desert us?
I wish I could give you an answer.
Man, this is even more boring than reading Amanda's diary.
You read my diary?
What? No, I was just assuming.
Kuru, you know these notes that you wrote for me on the history of Manipur?
Which ones? The ones you scribbled on, or the ones you never bothered to read?
What's this about vibrations?
Very well. I will explain it again. Manipur was once a part of this world.
You mean like Camelot?
Camelot's a fairy tale, idiot.
In order to safeguard Manipur, the most powerful sorcerers were assembled and used their magic to hide us from the outside world.
Camelot's fake? But they made a movie about it.
They decided to affect the vibrational field and shift the entire kingdom to a parallel space.
So what you're saying is Manipur exists all around us, but on a different frequency.
Yeah, like AM and FM. Different wavelengths, different frequencies.
Now you see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I don't. JB, can you get access to some really big amps?
Are you kidding me? Accessing is what I do best.
I cannot follow your AM/PM analogy, but I fear whatever you are going to try is never going to work.
What? What's not gonna work? I have to try, Kuru.
Try what? Someone please explain. I feel like I'm on a different wavelength.
Exactly.
What do you want?
We just need to borrow the place for the morning.
No way.
Please, it's just for one morning.
The garage is mine now.
Zoe, I don't want the garage forever. I just need it for like an hour or so.
That's what you say now. Although, I was thinking about going shopping for posters
Posters?
of great dancers. Margot Fontaine, Nijinsky, Nureyev. They'll inspire me in my new studio.
Yes, you should definitely go do that.
But I don't have enough money to buy the ones I really want.
Okay.
Won't be long.
Oh.
What's that for?
If you guys get back and I'm not here, then...
You'll be at Amanda's.
Yes. I'll be at Amanda's. And maybe for the night.
Well, have fun.
Thank you. And thanks for everything. Everything you've ever done for me.
Is something wrong, Alex?
No, I just... Take care.
What, at the shops?
Yeah, at the shops.
My sister is losing it. Can we please go now?
Yeah.
All right, we're plugged in and cranked up to the max.
Okay, are you sure it's going to be loud enough?
With these babies, I'm pretty sure we'll get a complaint from China.
Okay, great. Thanks, JB. Amanda?
Okay. Can we just go through this once more? Just to assure me that it's not going to kill you or something.
Okay. Elephants can hear a low-frequency sound from far away. That's how they communicate. So the world of Manipur is vibrating on a different frequency to our world, right?
AM/FM.
Yes. So if we can generate a low-frequency sound that is loud enough for Anala to hear, then we can tap into her power and ride the frequency into Manipur.
Okay. I don't get it, but okay.
Let's do it.
You've done it. We're in Manipur. You have achieved the impossible. Princess. Princess. Princess.
How is that possible? Whose magic is that powerful?
It's not me, but you knew that.
What am I gonna do? Those amps were rented.
JB, how can you even think about that now?
That's easy for you to say. It was my money, Amanda.
What about Alex?
How am I gonna explain that the amps are in some magical... What about Alex?
How do we know if they got to Manipur? What if they got vaporized or something? How do we even know it worked?
You mean... the amps are destroyed? The amps are destroyed. What am I gonna do?
Excuse me.
The princess!
What happened? Are you all right? The trip between worlds has left the princess in a weakened state. Here. You must help us find somewhere she can rest without Diva finding out she's here.
You're asking for much, Guru. Diva has eyes everywhere. Even the elders are afraid to oppose her.
But we have to help her. She's the princess.
Not anymore. She abdicated. Remember? She abandoned us.
How can you say that?
Please, he's right. I did abandon you. Listen, I know that I let a lot of you down when I abdicated, and the last thing I want to do is to let you down again. So I promise you, I am here, and I'm gonna do my best. I'm here to fight for all of you.
Why should you trust him?
How dare you? She's the princess.
Guru, please. I'm not the princess. I quit, remember? You have every right to have doubts. I'm just a girl. I'm like Cosma or anybody else. But I have magic, and I'm going to use it.
You, halt!
Me?
You cannot just walk in here.
But I have a gift from the people for Diva, our new ruler.
She does not accept gifts.
What if she does?
Am I supposed to eat them?
If that is what you wish.
Leave it over there. And don't bring me any more gifts. Stupid peasants.
We have to move quickly before she realizes that I'm here.
I'm sorry, princess, but...
It's okay. Stand back.
The chains are all intact. Where is this other magic coming from?
The abdication papers you signed.
Well, if I'm gonna be princess again, we can't have these lying around now, can we? You want to do the honors?
It's all yours.
Okay, let's find Omar.
In here.
I don't understand how this has happened. How did Diva get her magic?
Manipur has many secrets. But Diva's magic is very powerful. I've seen it myself.
I meant what I said to the others. This is my fight, and I'm not backing down. No matter what, I'll see it through.
Then I will stick with you to the end. No matter how hopeless the situation may seem, I pledge my...
Dungeons?
This way.
Little Kalani.
Omar!
Cosma!
Cousin, how I've missed you.
I'm not talking to you.
Touchy.
Your wounds.
They're healing. I barely feel them. How did you get here?
I'll explain later. The important thing is getting you out of here.
Me too.
If I must.
My daughter, it is harder for 3 people to elude the guards. And there is something much more important you must do.
More important than freeing you?
Yes.
No.
Now is not the time to think of ourselves. We must save the royal crown of Manipur before Diva gets her hands on it.
But...
Our only hope is for you to take the crown and leave Manipur for good. She cannot rule without it.
And what about you?
I will look after myself.
Okay.
Now, there is a secret compartment. There is a secret compartment in the throne room as you enter the door.
Very ingenious. Very clever. How easily you're deceived. If you're the wisest head in Manipur, no wonder it was so easy for me to conquer.
We are not done yet, witch. I will fight you till my dying breath.
I hope you realize he's not speaking for me.
Silence!
Okay.
The crown is mine now. There's nothing to stop me from ruling Manipur.
Oh yeah? What about this?
Is that all you've got?
Of course not. See? Run! Go, 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 go!
Here, Princess.
This is pointless. You know you don't have the power to match me. You see, little princess, I've added Vishan's powers to my own. And he was no pushover for you, now was he? So what hopes do you have against me?
Looking for something?
The ex-Princess Lilia Lukalani of Manipur. Or perhaps I should change that to the late Princess. If you value your lives, don't interfere. At least you're more of a challenge than your pathetic cousin.
You're nothing.
Persistent. I like that. But not that much. Without magic, you're nothing more than a boring commoner. And now I have all the magic Manipur has to offer. See, I told you. Manipur is mine.
Please don't scream, Zoe.
Ben, my beautiful studio!
What exactly happened here?
An earthquake. A few minutes ago. It was really scary, wasn't it, JB?
It was unbelievable.
I knew she was jealous of me.
Who?
Alex. Why else would she destroy my ballet studio? She's jealous of my talent.
Zoe, Alex didn't do it. None of us did.
Yeah, right.
Actually, she is right. I was just talking to some of the neighbors. I don't know whether what happened here was an earthquake or not, but whatever it was big. There's damage up and down the street.
Anyway, I bet you Alex thought about doing it.
Who's up for a hot chocolate? That'll make us feel better. Want to give me a hand, Amanda?
Sure thing.
Apparently the insurance policy covers the mirrors as well as all the windows, so we'll have your studio looking good as new in no time.
Really?
Absolutely, darling.
And can we get a new lock for the garage too? From now on, Alex and her friends are banned.
So when did Alex say she and Kuru would be back from the shops?
She didn't.
It's a little unusual to find you two here and Alex gone, especially in the light of what's just happened. She's usually very responsible.
She is. That's right. I know. She's probably heading straight around to my place. She's staying over tonight, remember? Don't worry. Alex will be fine.
Why wouldn't she be?
No reason.
Kuru has managed to escape. If he knows what's good for you, he'll keep it that way.
Omar, I'm so sorry that I failed you. I failed everybody.
Don't worry. Our hopes weren't high.
You listen to me. You have not failed anyone. In fact, you have made me very proud.
It's so good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Yes, it's always lovely to get a visit from family. Daughter and daddy, whatever. So, what are you going to do?
Step back. My magic, it's not working.
You let her take it.
What are you talking about?
Diva has drained Vishant's magic into herself. It seems she's done the same to you.
So now she has it all. She has all the magic. She is unbeatable.
We must never give up hope, no matter how dark the hour.
You really earn your money as Court Wiseman, don't you?